Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we are talking dupes for the ordinary. The reason I wanted to film this video now is because recently, you've probably seen it in the news, Deciem, which is the overall company which owns the ordinary, has recently been fully bought out by Estee Lauder Companies. I covered this and my thoughts and feelings about that in a video recently, so definitely check that video out if you want to know a little bit more. In that video, I said that whilst there could be some long-term changes, in the short term, I don't believe anything we love about the ordinary, such as the price point, the integrity and the formulation, and of course them being entirely cruelty free, is going to change, and so I'm going to continue to support and buy from the brand. However, I do think that's an individual decision people need to make, because a lot of people are a bit unsure about wanting to support, a brand which is now part of a multinational conglomerate. Lots of people want to still reach out and support those small indie brands. I hear you, and I totally understand. So I thought I'd pull together a video that offers some really great, equally as affordable, equally as effective, and owned by indie, smaller brand options and dupes for those core cult favorite products from The Ordinary. Whether you are looking to move away from The Ordinary, in which case this video is made for you, or you're like me, you're going to be sticking with the brand and waiting to see what happens, this video still could be applicable for you, because I'm going to be showing some new products, some great new finds, and hopefully some products that could become instant holy grails. So whatever your situation, grab a cup of coffee, grab a cup of tea, whatever your preference, and keep on watching. First of all, before we get into it, cut the waffle, because I have a lot to say. I do want to just say a massive thank you to each and every one of you who subscribed to this channel. This morning, we smashed through 30,000 subscribers, which honestly is beyond my wildest dreams, and completely blown away by all the love and support you guys have shown. So thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your love and support. As like a thank you, towards the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing with you a giveaway, so keep watching to find out how you can enter and the amazing prizes that are up for grabs. So let's start where any good skincare routine needs to, and that's with the cleansing step. The Ordinary have just one cleanser, and that's their Squalane cleanser. This is cult for a reason, because it is beautiful. It has a gel to oil consistency. It blends into the skin beautifully. You can use it as a facial massage aid as well, which is fantastic. And it rinses off without a trace, taking with it all the dirt, the debris, the SPF, and any old makeup. I love this product, and it's probably one of my core 5 favorite cleansers. However, if you want to look for a dupe, there are some equally effective and affordable options. The first one I'm going to call out is probably the closest in terms of price and texture, and that is the Revolution Melting Gel Cleanser. Now I'm going to leave a link to this as well as all the products mentioned below if you do want to purchase them, or if you want to check out the price and the ingredients wherever you are. This is a beautiful cleanser that again has that gel to oil consistency which the Squalane cleanser has. Not too many ingredients either, which makes it quite simple yet super effective. This will get off everything bar maybe the most stubborn waterproof makeup, and I absolutely adore it. The only thing I will call out is, whereas the Ordinary Squalane cleanser is fragrance free, this one does contain fragrance. That's not a problem for most people because it's a put on and wash off product, so it's not staying in contact with the skin for any prolonged period of time, so it shouldn't be an issue, and the fragrance is divine. But if you are looking for an entirely fragrance free skincare routine, this might not be the dupe for you. One you could try is the Milk Gentle Vegan Milk Cleanser. I always think it's really weird that a brand which prides themselves on their vegan ethics are called Milk. I don't know about that, but maybe actually it's just clever marketing because it's got us all talking about it. I love this brand. It's ever so slightly more expensive than the Ordinary, but not by much, and it is a beautiful texture. Again, it's got that gel to oil consistency, fragrance free, and a stunning blend of oils. If you want to go for something which maybe doesn't have the exact same consistency, but is, I'd say, one of the most effective single cleansers out there, I'm using this at the moment, which is the Jelly Joker cleanser by Geek and Gorgeous. It's a jelly cleanser, so it goes on as a gel and stays that way. You don't get that same oil effect as you do with the Squalane cleanser, but it is just as effective. Entirely cruelty-free, owned by a small brand, Geek and Gorgeous. It's a Hungarian brand. So good. Their customer service is second to none. And honestly, I just think it's a really great product that is really inexpensive, lasts forever, and this is the one that I'm using at the moment and absolutely loving it. If you want to check out a little bit more about Geek and Gorgeous, I'll leave a link to a review I did of them up there. Fantastic brand, so many good products, and we'll come on to a few others of theirs in this video later. Now we've got that covered. Our skin is clean, it's cleansed, and it's prepped, and now we really want to look at exfoliators. I love the Ordinary exfoliators, and they've got quite a lot, so I'm going to run through these a little bit quickly. Of course, you can pause and take notes at any point. I'll leave timestamps below if you do want to come back to any of these suggestions. My favourite dupe for the Ordinary glycolic acid 7% toning solution is the Inculist glycolic acid. It's the same price point. The Inculist is a small British brand, but also they're available internationally and have a great drugstore price point and some fantastic formulations. Their glycolic acid is pretty much the same texture. Whilst they don't disclose the strength, which I think is a shame, having used it, I'd say it's almost as strong as the toning solution by the Ordinary. So you're getting a really close like-for-like dupe. And in terms of the price point, they're very similar. You get a similar amount of product. It's just a really close formulation. I love the Inculist. I like to support them because they're a British brand, but even if you're not here in the UK, you can definitely support them because they're cruelty-free. They have a great sustainability ethics behind them. You can read all about it on their website, and I just think they have a really nice range of products. So that'd be a really good dupe for that. In terms of the salicylic acid mask, now you guys know I have gone full circle on this. I hated it in the start, then I really loved it, and now I'm wondering if there's some other options available. I've got a couple of dupes I will call out. I can't find a like-for-like product to that salicylic acid mask. I think, it's one of those that is reasonably unique, and whilst we often think, the Ordinary, we praise it for its low price point, we often forget how unique some of the products are, and I think the salicylic acid mask is one of them. However, if you want the same benefits, but you're not too concerned about the mask, then the Inculist, which I just mentioned, have a BHA liquid. This is the same 2% salicylic acid. It's in a serum, not a mask. It's a leave-on treatment rather than a wash-off, but you'll get the same great results if you put it on where you have your blackheads. This is going to go into the pore. It's going to eat away at all those blackheads, the dirt, the debris, and all the things that are clogging up our skin. It's going to have a very similar effect to the salicylic acid mask, and it's actually a little bit cheaper. So I say this is a great dupe if you're not too bothered about it being in the mask form. If you do want that salicylic acid leave-on mask, then I would reach for Indie, which is a fantastic company. Great ethos behind them. It's such a gorgeous brand. And actually, I'm going to mention a couple of their other products. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Their clearing mask is not a like-for-like dupe in terms of the cost. This is up there in price, but it is so effective. So if you like the salicylic acid mask and you want that mask treatment for your BHAs, this is a great option. You'll have to push the price up a little bit. You'll have to push the boat out and treat yourself, but your skin will love you. I've started using this. They sent me a sample of it, and I started using it and fell in love. It is so good. Even though it's got the same concentration of salicylic acid as the mask, somehow it just gets to work on those blackheads so much quicker, and I've seen some really great results, particularly on those stubborn areas like my nose that whatever I did always seemed to be congested. This, such a great product. So yes, don't read me to Phil for it not being the exact same price point. I hear you, but it is a really good alternative to those products. If you want to treat yourself and push the boat out a little bit, this is a great alternative. Finally, I kind of have a halfway house for you guys. For those of you that don't want to push out to Indie prices, I hear you. I know it can be a little bit up there in price, but still want to use a mask in their routine so the Inculist liquid doesn't appeal to you, then I would recommend a brand called Face Theory. If you've watched this channel before, you know how much I love Face Theory. Entirely cruelty-free, fantastic vegan formulations, and UK-based indie company. Absolutely love them. In fact, I did a whole review of their line, which I'll link up there if you want to explore them a little bit more. They do a pink clay mask. This has a beautiful blend of exfoliating acids and pink clay. That kaolin is going to go onto the skin and suck out all the excess oil and with it the dirt and the debris. Super effective against blackheads and congestion. And whilst Face Theory pricing isn't as cheap as the Ordinary normally, they've actually given me a code, which is all capital letters, MadAboutSkin25, which if you use it at checkout, you'll get 25% off everything site-wide, which really brings that price point down, making it much more accessible. They also have a flat rate of shipping, which means wherever in the world you are, they'll ship it to you for a really reasonable price point. So it's one of the few brands that don't sting you on the shipping, so definitely worth checking out. Now, a lot of people love their serums. The Ordinary have a great blend of different and quite unique serums, but there are some dupes out there, and I'm going to start with the Caffeine solution. You guys know I love the Caffeine solution. Under the eye, it just gets rid of all of the bags, any puffiness, and any discoloration that we have under the eye. The Ordinary Caffeine solution comes in at around like £6 and has worked wonders for my under eye area and giving back that eye confidence. So good. But recently I've been trying a brand called Typology, and they have gorgeous gorgeous packaging. It looks like, you know, that Parisian pharmacy chic, gorgeous. It's an independent French company, which I love. Again, cruelty free, and they have some fantastic vegan options as well. And they do this, which is their caffeine 5%, niacinamide 5% solution. So the reason I like this and I actually prefer it to the Ordinary is similar price point. And you've got the 5% caffeine, which you get in the Ordinary product, but you've also got niacinamide in here. Niacinamide over time will help even out that pigment under the eye. So whereas the Ordinary is a quick fix in the moment, this will deliver that quick fix, but also will have some long-term benefit as well. So I kind of think you're getting a double whammy. Don't be fooled by the size of it, because one drop will do both eyes. And the Ordinary caffeine solution, I say it leaves the skin a little bit tacky. I often leave it on for 5 minutes, wipe it off, and then put my concealer on. But with this, it blends into the skin like that, sinks in like a dream, so you can just put concealer right on top and you won't have any problems. I think the formulation's better, I think you get more long-term benefits, and I actually think the texture is so much improved. So definitely worth trying out. And the giveaway, which I'm going to mention later to celebrate 30,000 subscribers, is actually centered around typology, so keep watching for that. Another firm favourite from the Ordinary is their buffet. Their peptide selection is so good. Their buffet with copper peptides is amazing, but I've really struggled to find a dupe for it. However, if you're using the Ordinary buffet, which is the one without copper peptides, this is a blend of peptides which are going to help even out the skin tone, they're going to help to boost collagen, and they're just going to do awesome great things for hydration in your skin. Peptides are a must, and don't worry, if you don't want to shop at the Ordinary, there are some really good alternatives. I reach for this every single day, multiple times a day, which is the Geek and Gorgeous Liquid Hydration. Now, if you're one of the most loyal subscribers, you knew I was going to call this out. I mentioned Geek and Gorgeous earlier, and they're a great small-scale, independent, cruelty-free brand. This is a mixture of peptides, panthenol, to hydrate, to soothe, to calm. It does everything. It gives you gorgeous hydration, and it will just sink into the skin like that. It's a liquid, so it goes on as like a toner just after your exfoliation to balance the skin, reset everything, ready to receive your other products. And I absolutely love it. If you want to stick with a more gel-like consistency, which I guess is a more like-for-like dupe to that the Ordinary buffet, then the Collagen Booster Serum by the Inculist is a really good dupe. Same price point and same texture and formulation. A really good hydrating, evening and collagen boosting peptide mix, and one that I definitely recommend checking out. I think the Collagen Booster might actually be a little bit cheaper than the buffet. Depends on where in the world you live, but it's a fantastic option. Finally, let's stick with the Inculist and call out their peptide moisturizer. This is great for people who don't want a separate peptide step in their routine. I hear a lot of people want to streamline their routine. They don't want everything, you know, they don't want an 18-step routine. They want it all simple and streamlined. A great way of getting that peptide fix without adding an extra step is to include it in your moisturizer. This product gives you all the hydration you expect from a moisturizer, but also with those peptides that are going to even everything out, hydrate and boost that collagen in the skin. A beautiful product. Now, a few other serums I want to mention that I know are cult favourites by the Ordinary. They're Azelaic acid suspension. Now, I love azelaic acid. It takes down redness in the skin. It can help combat acne, which is great for people like me that have excess oil in the skin and are breakout prone. And it's really great for rosacea. This actually, I don't think is a favourite. People went for it because it was one of the first azelaic acids on the market. However, it's got kind of like a silicone-y, gritty texture. It doesn't layer well with other products. It peels. It's never been one of my favourites. So actually, I'm glad that there's some great dupes to this. I'm going to call out two, which are these. This is the Face Theory Azaclear Serum. This one isn't available in North America, though if you log on to the UK website, if you're in the US and you log on to the UK website, you can actually have it shipped to you in the US, so you can get your hands on it like via that back door. And this product, which is the A-Pad by Geek and Gorgeous. This is a derivative, so super gentle. This, I'd say, is the most comparable in terms of strength to the Ordinary. So this is a great option if you have super sensitive skin and are using it for rosacea and to calm redness. This is great if you're using it for acne fighting, because it's also got some oatmeal in here, which is going to calm and soothe any irritation caused by the acne and reduce the redness and the size of the marks as well. Such a great product. Both of these are fantastic dupes. This, if you use the code, is a similar price point. This is slightly more expensive, but certainly not break the bank pricing. And both of them are a great way of getting azelaic acid into your routine without needing to reach for the Ordinary one, which I don't think led very well in a skincare routine anyway. Now, we're in the home stretch, but there are a few things that I want to call out. Vitamin C's are a crucial part of most people's skincare routine, helping to brighten the skin, even out our skin tone, and tackle hyperpigmentation. The Ordinary have a whole range of different vitamin C's, which I covered in a video, which I'll leave a link to up there, explaining each one and how they work. The Ordinary vitamin C derivatives are fairly unique, and it can be quite hard to find a derivative, so I'm going to do that in a separate video. But for their pure form L-ascorbic acid and ascorbic acid options, there's two great dupes that I want to share with you. One is from Geek and Gorgeous, which I've been referencing a lot because they're just one of my favorite brands out there, and they do a C Glow serum, which is so divine. And when you're using pure form vitamin C, it can oxidize really quickly, which means it goes a funny color, starts smelling a bit funky, and stops working and being as effective. This happens over time, and because vitamin C is quite unstable as a molecule, you can get the Geek and Gorgeous C Glow and know that it was made within the week. It's freshly made for you in unique small batches. This means that it's no older than a week old, so that oxidization isn't going to have started to happen. You're getting it maximum potency, maximum efficacy, and you know it's going to last as long as possible because it's not been sat on a dusty old warehouse shelf. So I love that, and it's a real high strength vitamin C to give you that maximum bang for your buck when it comes to tackling uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. I also love Stratia, again a small independent brand, vegan, cruelty free, all the good stuff, and this is their vitamin C C+C serum. This again is a super effective vitamin C serum that I've been trying. I did a whole review on Stratia, which again I'll leave a link. I'm leaving these links in case you want to explore any of these brands in a little bit more detail, more than what I can fit in this video. This, such a great alternative, and whilst both this and the Geek and Gorgeous are a little bit more expensive, I find they last longer and are more effective, so I think it's a reasonable dupe to offer in terms of the trade-off that you're going to get. Finally, I'm going to come on to niacinamide, which is a cult favourite, and of course their retinols. Starting with the Ordinary niacinamide, I actually don't feel this is the best niacinamide on the market. Because of some of the base ingredients they use, it can be quite stripping and drying, quite harsh on the skin, which is why a lot of people say they get irritation, redness and peeling when they start to use it. I actually reached for this, the Face Theory Pore Bright N10 serum. This has the same concentration of niacinamide, which is great for evening the skin tone and supporting with balancing out the oil production in the skin. This is great. It's also got a very small amount of azelaic acid in, which is therapeutic, so it's going to minimize any sensitivity you get. I love this product and I always call it out. I think it's fantastic. And again, using that code for 25% off takes it down to the Ordinary price point. It's making it a fantastic dupe. You can go for Revolution Skincare, which also do a really great, almost like-for-like dupe, again at an affordable price, and works really, really well. And finally, their retinols. I have a love-hate relationship with the Ordinary retinols. I like them, I like the strength, I like the price point, but I don't feel that they sink in particularly effective into the skin. I think this is a shame because they're oil-based, they're hydrating, but they're just really difficult to use and work into a routine, which is why recently I've been reaching for this, which is, again, the Game by Geek and Gorgeous. They do two strengths. If you're using the Ordinary Gran Active Retinoid Emulsion, go for the lower strength. If you're using their 1% retinol in Squalane, then go for the higher strength, because that's how to roughly comparable. Also, if you're going for the Gran Active Retinoid, you could just switch to the Inculist Retinol, which is a super effective and affordable retinol that won't break the bank, but also won't be too high strength. It's Gran Active, so it's a delayed release, and it won't have that instant hit of retinol, which gives you that redness, peeling and irritation. A fantastic product. Now, there you have it, guys. A rundown of most of the products from the Ordinary and some great dupes. Now, of course, I haven't mentioned every single product from the Ordinary. Some don't have dupes and some I didn't have time to do the full research on. So if you do want a specific dupe to a product, leave me a comment below and I'll get into it straight away. Now for the bit you've all been waiting for, which is the giveaway to celebrate 30,000 subscribers. To celebrate and this milestone, which honestly is still I have to pinch myself. I kind of don't believe it. I want to give away a chance for people to try some great products by a new brand I've been trying, and that's this Typology. I love and adore Typology, a small indie brand that also is cruelty free and offers some great vegan options, so it's kind of suitable for most people, whatever they're looking for in skincare. I love so many of their products, and all you've got to do to win is I'm going to be picking 10 people at random in 2 weeks' time. So 2 weeks from the date of this video is when it will close. And what I say is all you need to do to enter is to have a look at the Typology website, which I'll leave a link to below, and choose the product that you want if you were lucky enough to be win. Leave me a comment and say what product from Typology you most want to try, and you're in it to win it. Good luck to everyone that wants to take part. Thank you so much for watching this video, and wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and sending lots of love. Bye!